So in this video, we'll be finding the volume of this figure that we made in class, this shape. And so you'll notice this is actually the same as if you fill it up with these pieces at every spike. This is the smallest unit you can make it out of, the smallest modular thing you can make out of the snowbite unit. You'll notice that if you were to do that, you end up with a rhombic tricontahedron. And the reason we know it's a rhombic tricontahedron is because there's 30 little spikes, 30 spikes, which means that there'll be 30 faces. We know that the number of vertices, you can calculate it, that some of the vertices, 3 faces meet, and the other ones 5 faces meet, and you can calculate that everything checks out. You get 32 vertices total. Everything is the same. So in fact, if you fill it up with these pieces, you do get a rhombic tricontahedron. So now, the volume of each of those pieces, well, each of those pieces you can calculate it in 2 different ways, but you can calculate it as an equilateral triangle with this is you can calculate it as an equilateral triangle with a double pyramid. So it's a double pyramid with an equilateral triangle base. And so the equilateral triangle base's its side length is this. This is S over 2. And so the area of that is S over 2 squared root 3 over 4, which gives you S squared root 3 over 16. And then if you calculate the height, you take a cross section and you get this is h. You get that h is equal to s over 4, so you get s squared root 3 16 times s over 4 times 1/3 times 2, and then you get that times 30 because there are 30 of those pieces. And you can cancel. You get 5s cubed over 16. For the spikes. And the volume of a rhombic tricontahedron in terms of side length, if A is the side length, it's A cubed times 4, 5 plus 2 root 5, and it should make sense that it's cubic in terms of A, or it's linear in terms of A cubed, should make sense. And the side length, we know that A is equal to, the side length of the rhombus is just this. There's S over 2 over root 2. The answer is
What's up, dude?
I'm done.